Hey Jesse, how's it going? This is Devin with SEO Dallas, Texas. I spoke to Michelle a little earlier. I told her that I'd be giving you guys a free video report on just a couple of tips on how you guys can make your website a lot more powerful in Google's eyes and start, actually grabbing those customers that you've been missing on and converting a lot of them into clients for you in the future. So the three things I'm going to go over today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. And this is all free information I'm giving you. If you want to take this information, you just go boost your website up and prosper from that. That's all okay with me. I mean, it's all just free tips for you. If you see or if you like what you see afterwards and you decide that you want me to help you out with this, that'd be great too. Just give me a call. Either way, though, it doesn't really matter. So just moving forward, I believe I mentioned already, we're going over content, citations, and then backlinks. So first off, looking at your website, I like the way your website's laid out. It's really easy to navigate. It's a really simple website. You've got pictures around. You've got reviews right on the front page. It looks good. As far as content goes, it's definitely lacking. So you only have maybe about 150 words on here. You're going to want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500. So what I would do is I'd write about another 900 to 1,400 words and put that on your front page. Just because with Google's crawlers, they look for content based off of how much words you have, and also how much keywords you have in there. So definitely get yourself up to about 1,000, 1,500 so you can be able to stand up with the other guys. If you look at your competitors right here, you got Speaks Plumbing, and as far as their content goes, they're lacking pretty much too. They don't have very much. Let's see how their images are. That's another thing. You can save images as they're not even doing it right. You can save images as keywords, and it's gonna help boost your profile as well. So you're definitely gonna be able to beat them. Just get yourself to 1,000, 1,500 words on your front page, and that'll give you a lot more power in Google's eyes. Next guy is Garland Plumbing Pro. They've got it down. So they don't have 1,000 for sure. They probably have closer to 500, 600. But they are beating you, and you're definitely going to want to get up to that 1,000, 1,500 mark just so you can beat them. So that's the first thing with content. The next thing is citations. Citations is how you get in here. So citations is like the Google Map Pack right here. This is where a lot of customers will stop when they need an emergency done. They just go right here, pick someone, and that's how they do it. And how you get in here is how many times your website, or how many times your company's name, address, and phone number are listed across the internet. They're like in different directories and stuff like that. Like, white pages, yellow pages, Bing has a directory, Facebook has a directory, stuff like that. So just to show you, I did some research for you. This is a tool you can use. It's called White Spark. It costs about $100 a month, but you can use it to check out your competitors. And for Speaks Plumbing, they've got 57 citations. This is the reason why they're at the top. They have a ton of citations, but my clients don't start anywhere below 60. So what I would say for you is at least to get 60 just so you can just about match them, but then stack another 60 on top of that so it makes it harder for them to catch up to you, and just keep adding them. These guys, In-House Plumbing Company, they got 81, so you're definitely going to want to get higher than 60 then, for sure. And then Garland Plumbing League, they got 15. So there's a spot that's easy to take, but really what you want is that top spot. So you're going to want to get at least 120 to 150 citations. And all you do is you just go in here, you take the exact same ones they have, and then add some more on. You can see all the ones that they have. Just take all theirs and then add some more on. I've got a list of about 500 we can apply. We can do all 500. We can do just 150, 300, whatever's better for you. The last thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. So Google is kind of like a popularity contest, and backlinks are other websites that are deemed trustworthy linking back to your site, and they're kind of passing power to you. Not all links are created the same, so you're going to want to have links that have to do with basically your industry. So you're not going to want to go get links from a wallet company or from like a Pizza Hut company or something like that. You're going to want to get other plumbing companies, other sewer and draining cleaning, those kind of things, specialists. Those kind of companies linking to you are going to give you a lot more power. So if we look at your backlink profile, this is another tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. You can do it yourself. It just it shows the back end of websites. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it shows the website itself. It looks like it's a brand new website. So you literally just started this website. So cool. If you're working with someone, by all means, you have these tips you can take with you. If you don't have someone you're working with, you're building it yourself, you can still take these tips with you. Looking around at your competitors, Speaks Plumbing, they have a good trust value, but they have a really low power going to their website, so they're probably just getting a bunch of spammy links, and you can even see their referring domains go up, down, up, down, up, down. So they're probably literally just paying someone to do their links for them, and they're not actually getting good quality links. Easily to beat them if you go out and get proper links. Here, Garland Plumbing Pro. These guys only have 5 backlinks and 4 domains, so they're definitely going to be super easy to beat. And they're probably ranking for the right keywords because of the traffic they're getting. Yep, look at that. Buyer intent. Garland Plumbers, Garland Plumber, Plumber Garland, Texas. This is what they're getting found for. This is what you want to get found for. So basically you want to put all this stuff on your front page with about 1,000 to 1,500 words. You want to get your citations up, so you take that first spot in the Google Map Pack where it shows local rankings. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your backlinks up, and you want to get the proper backlinks so you can take all this volume from these search words that people are searching. This is how many people search that a month. So that could be like an easy 400 extra calls for you, or 400 extra searches on your website a month. So that's basically it. That's all I've got for you. I went over today content, citations, and backlinks. Definitely get yourself up to 1,500 words with the right keywords. Get at least 120 to 150 citations, and then get your backlinks up. Probably shoot for about, let's see, based off of what you're looking around, 50 domains right here. You're going to want to get like a minimum of about 50 referring domains just to beat out these guys. I'd say to go up to about 75 and shoot about 500 backlinks. So that's about it. If you want to take those tips and do it yourself, by all means, go ahead and do it. I'd like to see you prosper. If you see that I'm an expert and I can help you out with this and you want me to, just give me a call and we'd be glad to help you out. This is our website, SEODallasTexas.com. And here's our phone number. It's 214-441-6737. So yeah, just give us a call if you'd like to, and we'd be glad to help you out. All right, have a great day.